I come from a very basic brick and mortar industry, which is construction, infrastructure, and this is probably the sector of industry which is affected later, in the hierarchy of the sectors that we have, the IT, then technology, then manufacturing, and so infrastructure is still not touched that way, but IoT and robotics and 3D printing, or all these things are not a new word now. These things are prevalent. These things are coming in day-to-day work, even at home and even at workplace. So this is going to catch up, right? In our field of work, in some way it is already there, in some way it's catching up. Now, if I talk of a global scenario, man-hour cost has been roughly around $40 to $45 an hour, and they used to send their work to outsource to China or India, where the man-hour cost is roughly below $10. These technologies are changing that, Now, using these technologies, the man-hour cost, even sitting in Germany, they are able to bring it down below $10. That is what is happening, where the workplace will change, where the jobs will go, where the jobs will transform. I will not say go, the jobs will transform. So the jobs which are very routine, which are can be broken down into smaller portions, transactional nature of jobs, some routine work, they are definitely going to be affected, and we are not untouched by it. There are many jobs in our sector also related to even HR, or related to planning, or related to even projects, or even finance, taxations, which can be taken over by softwares or technology or artificial intelligence, So we are not untouched by it. So the workplace is going to change, we are very sure about it, but the silver lining is that new jobs will be created, some different jobs will be created, some kind of jobs will die down, but some kind of jobs will be created afresh. So reskilling, relearning, all has to come in.